god. Oh my god. Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today, well this morning I have been to B&M and I love this time of year at B&M because they're getting rid of all the sale stuff and they're bringing in all the new stock. After this video, I'm really sorry, but you are going to want to get down there because it is just so good. I was literally on WhatsApp taking videos, sending pictures to my friends, just like, you need to get down here because this is just so good. The woman at the till said this stuff is literally just flying off the shelves. So yeah, today I am bringing to you a very good B&M haul. I'm so glad I waited because I was going to do a haul the beginning of January, but I only got like a bag of stuff and I thought, no, I'm going to wait just a little bit longer to see if they bring out any new stuff, and they did. So before I show you what I picked up, I'm going to show you some of the things that I loved in store because obviously I can't buy it all. I don't think my bank balance would like that, and also I need to make sure I have homes for the things that I'm buying because I used to just buy so much stuff and I ended up with my own shop in the garage full of stuff. So yeah, I've just bought what I need. Oh, it's not what I need, but it's what I wanted. And I just want to say as well, if you already watch my channel, you'll know that I've taken my extensions out. So my pony is literally like so thin, but I'm also now doing the no hair wash challenge. I'm on day 5. It literally looks like I've slicked this back, but it is just grease. So I just wanted to say, in case anyone thought, oh my god, her hair, but I'm doing it for the good of my hair to hopefully restore it back to a nice, oh, the grease. Yeah, to restore it back to a nice natural state that doesn't get greasy every single day. But yeah, I hope you enjoy coming to B&M with me, and I will see you for the haul after you have had a little look around the shop. Okay, so now you've seen what's in the shop. I have got 1, 2, 3 bags from B&M. So where shall we start? I think I'm going to start off with this bag. This is the bag with some of the cleaner stuff in. I'll try and do it in some kind of order, but yeah, I'll try and organise it. But we will start off with the cleaner stuff because I'm really looking forward to using this. So the first thing I picked up is this Dish Daddy. I was going to say Dishmatic. No, that's the other brand. A Dish Daddy Scrub Daddy brush. So it's a soap dispensing dish wand that is self-standing, and you can obviously use these when they are warm, they go soft, and when they're cold, they're hard. But I really liked this one because I have had the Dishmatic before, but this one you can press the button to get the product out, which I thought was really good. And this one doesn't seem like it's gonna leak. Like my Dishmatic, no matter which way I stand it, always leaks. So I'm really looking forward to giving this a go. I did notice they didn't have any like new heads in store, but you can get them on Amazon and on the Scrub Daddy website, and they're really affordable actually. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using this. This was like £5.99 and a Dishmatic is like £1 or something, so it was a bit of an expense, but I have seen people using them. They do look good, so I thought I would give it a go. I also picked up, and I have been using this, it is the new Flash Spray Wipe Done in Crisp Lemon, because I really needed a new fresh scent for the new year, and I love this so much. And when I was in store today, I also noticed they have a lavender, I think it's lavender and rosemary, and it really smells like florally. So if you like a floral scent, it's purple. Have a look out for that one. I also picked up a new one of these. This is the Zoflora Power Bathroom Spray, and this is in my favourite scent. It is Caribbean Grapefruit and Lime. I absolutely love the smell of this, and I love the foam that it gives off. It cleans so well, and it just makes everywhere feel so fresh. So I picked up another one of them. I also got another new find for me today. I normally use the other brand, but these Surf ones were Watermelon Breeze, and I don't think I've ever seen a scent in watermelon in washing powder. So I'm gonna open them because I just want to have a little smell. Oh my god, these really are childproof. Do you just find they're too childproof that even adults can't get in them? Because I don't know how. This is what I mean, because I'm so used to the other brand, I actually don't know how to open these, and I really want to smell them. There we go. But yeah, they only had 2 boxes on the shelf. Oh my god. Oh my god. They smell. What is that smell? It's like Lush. Is it? Oh my god, wow. These are amazing. So you get 18 washes. They're really sweet, like candy smell. They're really, really nice. Oh my god. Why haven't I found them sooner? You know, because you just walk past things and I always just buy the same stuff. But I've noticed, because I've been changing my softener, that actually my wash, and I can smell that it smells nice, because I think you get used to the scent. So yeah, I got them. They were £3.50, I think. I'm really looking forward to using them, because I've actually run out of pods now. So my next wash will be with them. And I also picked some of these up. These are the Fabulosa antibacterial wipes, and these are the Valentine's range, which I thought was really nice. And they're in the scent Sweet Raspberry Snow. Oh wow. They're almost like candy floss. They're really nice. But these, I think these were £1.50. I don't know, you get 80 wipes. So yeah, I'll give them a go now, but I love the packaging of them. And then in the cleaning bit, I also picked up some new cloths. So I got these like suede microfiber. You can actually use these ones wet or dry. This type of material is good for like mirrors and windows and stuff. So I got that pack. They were £2.50. And then I picked up this pack, which is like your fluffy multi-purpose microfiber cloth. These ones I use for like dusting my surfaces and stuff, and I really needed some new ones, so they were £3.50. So I'm going to move on to the home stuff. This is the most exciting part of the video. You're just going to be as obsessed as me. I just love it. First thing I'm going to show you are these ribbed mugs. How nice are they? So I actually always have like matching mugs. But we have just like some clear glass ones, you know, like your standard. I think I got them from Home Bargains. And I thought I would like a couple of different ones. Even though they're all glass, these are like a different shape. So I thought I'm going to get 4 of these, and then I'll keep 4 of my old ones. I'm just thinking now, I know that's not going to happen. And I know I'm literally probably going to go back in B&M and buy 4 more of these to complete the set. But these were £2, which I thought was so good. Like a mug like this, I would definitely expect it to be about £4. And all of the stuff today in there, I have found the prices are really reasonable again, because I did think to myself they started to creep up a little bit. But today, I think there's some really good buys in there. So yeah, I picked up 4 of these. I don't know if you can put them in the dishwasher. but no, not suitable for dishwasher or the microwave. But how gorgeous are they? So yeah, I picked up them. I also got this lovely wooden candle, which I just loved this so much. This was £6, so this one is a little bit pricey, but I just really loved the wood effect on this, and I think I bought one from the range before like this. It's just like a vanilla-y scent, but yeah, I got that. I also got these baskets from the sale bit. Let me just unfold them. So they look like this, and they're like a hanging basket. They just need to be shaped. They're a really good big size, and these look really nice, like hanging on the wall. Oh, that is such a good idea. Well, that's a good idea to me in my mind, because I've just thought of it. You don't know what I'm talking about. Basically, I just looked at the wall over there and I thought that would look really nice hanging up there with a plant in, hanging down. So yeah, I didn't have a use for these, but I probably do now. And these were from £5 down to £2.50, which is so good. So I actually got 2 of them baskets, and I think I've recently just like done a little DIY in my little boy's room, which I'm gonna post on Sunday, and I have some mini ones of these baskets, and I think I got them from there. So if you're wondering about that, if you watch that video, I think they're from there. I can't think where else I would have got them, but yeah, that is those. And then in this bag, this is the best bag. Save the best till last. There's a lot of good goodies in here. So I'll start off with these, because these are just like a quick little thing, but they're gonna make such a difference. And they're gonna look so nice when we redo our kitchen. And I have these on my jars and stuff, because I know these, oh my God, I'm just putting the mug over there. It could just fucking break. Put them down there safely. Yeah, so when I redo the kitchen and I'm gonna have like all my nice jars and stuff, I really wanted some nice labels, and I've seen a couple of people use these on Instagram. They're only £2, and in this pack you get 16 labels, and they say like pasta, spaghetti, rice, oats, granola, flour, self-raisin flour, tea, coffee, sugar, nuts, snacks, treats, things like that. But then I noticed today they had a new one in there, which is an 18 pack of spice labels, and you get like salt and pepper, ginger, cinnamon, garlic, rosemary, sage, paprika, turmeric, chili powder, mixed herbs. So I'm really looking forward to putting these on my jars, and these ones were £1.50. And talking about jars, I will just quickly show you, because these I've been waiting to come back in stock again, because I'm gonna have a couple of shelves in my kitchen, and I want to have like some nice bacon bits on there. So I picked up these jars before, 2 of them. I picked up one big one and one smaller one. Ever since I got them, I haven't been able to find the big one, and they actually had it in there today. So I got one for my self-raisin flour, and these ones are £5. They only had the big ones in. Again, they didn't have the little ones, but I will keep my eye out. This is just so cute. I'm gonna have this, look at this, on a shelf in my living room. A shelf that I don't have yet, but a shelf that I plan to have. So this is a reed diffuser. How nice is that? All of this like body vase stuff is really in at the moment. I know they have a couple of really nice bits in Poundland. I actually picked up one of them and it had little bunny tails in. I did show it on another video. But this one is vanilla musk, and it's £5, but I don't mind what it smells like. I can just pop any scent in there if I'm not a fan of that, but for £5 I thought that was so nice. That would also make a really nice gift as well if you've got like a friend who loves home stuff. So I got that, and then I found this. How nice is that? I want to do a little close-up of this because I think it's quite hard to see, but look at that. Just a little tea light holder, with Pampers and bunny tails in, and it was £3. Even the lady at the till, she was like, oh, I really like that. And I was like, I know, it's so good for £3. So I'm glad that I picked that up. You don't just need that New Year refresh. I feel like that's what I need. I also picked up this one. This is so nice. This reminds me of H&M, Zara Home. It's in that lovely stone effect. It's like a creamy white, and this one was just £5, which I thought was so good. As I said, a lot of their stuff was creeping up in price, but all of this stuff today I've bought is like £5 and under, so I absolutely loved that. And this is my last piece, which was a really good little buy. It is, I've actually seen someone with this on Instagram, and I never saw it in there, and I thought, oh, I'd love to have that. It is this ceramic set of 2 dispensers, and it's got a lotion one and a soap. And I love that they have the matte black pumps at the top, and it also comes in the little tray. But this was £8, and it was the only one on the sales shelf, and I scanned it on my B&M app, which is also a really good tip if you're going around, you can't find the price of something, or sometimes just check, because you never know, they may be on the sale, and this one was just £4. So yeah, I'm so happy with this purchase as well, and I think I'm gonna probably, I might have it in my utility, or I might have it in my little cloakroom toilet downstairs. But yeah, I thought I just had to pick that up because it was the last one and it was on sale. So yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please let me know what is your favourite thing that I bought today. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!